Your entry needs to be approved before you can get rewarded. So right here we are going to click on get right here, and we are going to download this app. Okay, so you just need to stick from this moment to the end of this video, and I'm going to be showing you how it works. Now this is a review that have been approved. I just want to let you know how it operates. Now we are going to be opening this, and I'm going to be showing you how it works. Now before I proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, or you're hearing my voice for the first time, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. And for my returning subscribers, all I just want to say is thank you for always watching my videos and also commenting on them. Now to get started right here, you can see where it says start your skill journey. So as a new user, all you just have to do is to set up an account for yourself. So come right here and click on continue with Google. So it's going to direct you over to your Google account. So go ahead to choose any of your Google email you want to use for this purpose. Okay, so right here I'm going to select one right here. So and I'm going to come right here and click on continue. So the registration process is very simple. All you just need to do is to continue with the Google already linked to your device. So right here I'm just going to be setting my date of birth. Okay, so just go ahead to set your date of birth, then click on next. So you are going to be asked some few questions, and you can go ahead to skip that, but I don't advise you skip that because your identity are needed right to start getting rewards right here. So I'm going to come right here and click on mail, and I'm going to click on next. Now you can see right here we are on this app. So the next thing you want to do right now is to come over to your profile like this. So right here, what I just want you to do is to make sure that you're already signed into your account. So you can see right here Goodwallet. You can come right here and click on continue. Okay, so you can skip this for now. So this is the interface I want you to get in touch with. Now once you're here, the first thing you want to do is to first of all come over to where you can edit your profile. So once you're here, all I just want you to do is to go ahead to edit your profile. Now some of you might find it difficult in editing your profile. Now I'm going to be showing you step by step. This is not a video you have to skip or you have to watch. You just need to watch from the beginning to the end for you to get the proper instructions and value right on this video. So right, I'm going to come over to edit. So you can see edit profile. So you are allowed to put in your first name right here, which I'm going to be doing right now. So once I input my first name, I'm going to put in all the details that are required, and I'm going to put in my last name right here. So I'm going to put in my last name right here. So notwithstanding, so once I'm done, you can come right here and write about yourself. Okay, I am a freelance coach with zeal to teach and protect the minds of others. Okay, so nationality is Nigeria. So is Nigeria right here. So nationality is Nigeria. So nationality is Nigeria right here. I'm going to click on save. So when I come back right here, I'm going to put Lagos, Nigeria as my location. Lagos, Nigeria. Please stay tuned to the end of this video so you don't get stuck while setting up your account. So I've done all this, you can see that, and my first name, I just need to change this. I think I wrote this down before. Okay, so let me just put in my first name. So I think all these are put in place. So you can go ahead to set a profile, a banner, and the likes. So just come down to save. So you can go back to edit. So I just did that so I don't miss any part. So let me say I want to come down to profile. So I'm going to be selecting a picture from my gallery. Okay, so I just need to select a picture from my gallery. You select a picture from your gallery. So I click on done right here. So you can go ahead to select a banner as well. Okay, so let's wait for this. So you can go ahead to select a banner as well. So you can see take a photo or choose from your gallery. So let's just pick in any of these banner right here. So I'm just going to pick this as a banner, and I'm going to, so I select that, like, so I've selected that as my banner. So the next thing I want to do is to click on save. Now once you've saved this, the next thing you want to do right here, make sure you've done all what I just said, you've done your settings. So the next thing you want to do right now is to come over to this plus sign right here. Look at what I did, this particular sign that shows human plus. So once you click on that, you just need to click on invite friends. You will be taken over to this next page where you need to verify your account. So right here you can see, to take your account secure and unlock key features, please complete these two quick verification steps. This helps you protect your account and ensures that only verified users can access important actions. So verify your account right here and verify your identity. So you can see that. So what you just need to do is to make your verification right on this particular interface. So what I'm going to do is to input my mobile number right here. So once I'm done with that, I just need to come down right here and click on save. So guys, I did not get the code on that particular number, so let me come right here and change this number. 081. So let me use this one and see. Let me use this one and see if I will be getting a code for this. Okay, now I did not get the code. Let me click on send again. So guys, the code just arrived. So make sure you keep calm, relax. Your code is going to be coming to your SMS message, because most times you might be discouraged, so you just have to hold on for you to get your code. So mine just arrived, so I'm going to be putting that right here. I'm going to click on continue. So you can see that I have done that part. You can see 1/2. Then you come down to verify your identity. Now here it says help us keep your account secure by confirming it's really you with a quick selfie. Okay, this ensures that only verified users can perform sensitive actions like inviting friends or making withdrawals. Now this is going to give you access for your rewards and also making withdrawals. So what you just need to do is to come down and click on verify your identity. Now it says take a quick selfie to verify your identity. To keep your account secure, you will be asked to set up Face ID using a quick selfie. We will use this selfie to confirm it's really you both now and every time you withdraw from your Goodwallet. Now come right here and look at what is required. No sunglasses, keep your eyes open, use good lighting and plain background. So come right here and click on continue. Now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead to do your face verification. So right now we are going over to setting, and we are going to allow the camera, and we are going to come back to this. So allow, so we are going to come back here, come down to invite, come down here, and we are going to give access to our camera. So please place your face in over. Okay, let's start with this. As you can see right now, success, your identity is verified. So click on continue. So these are the two verifications you need to do on your account. Now that our account is verified, now most times it does not take any minutes. So right now you can see that I am done with this. Now the next thing you want to do is to come back to your account. So this is where you're going to be coming over to this search bar right here. Now under the search bar, this is what you are going to be typing: hashtag best photo 2025. Okay, so that is what you are going to be clicking right now. So what you're going to be doing right here, formerly you're supposed to see where you click on take part. So since you can't find take part, just come down right here. Then you are going to be uploading one of your best photo right here. Okay, let me pick this, my NYC. Okay, so I have picked my NYSC photo. So like I said, most of you will actually see take part. So if you can't find that take part, just click on the button, the plus button, and you'll be brought to this interface. So now the next thing I want to do right now is to come down and drop a caption. Okay, so this is actually, I think it's uploading now. It's done uploading. Now come down right here. You are going to be adding a caption right here. You're going to be adding a caption right here. So let's come right here and add a caption. So you need to add a caption. Add caption to your post. The caption I'm going to be writing is, this is the best picture of myself as a copper. Okay, let me just say best picture of myself as a Nigeria youth copper. Okay, so just pick a best picture of yourself. Now what I'm going to do next is to come down right here and I'm going to click on post. You can see that right here. So I have actually posted that. Now after I have posted this, as you can see, it takes about 24 hours for the entry to be approved. Now once this entry is approved, I'm going to be giving $2 on my account. So that is how it works. I actually took my time to explain this so you can understand. Now I'm done with the proper setup of my account. You can see right here that I uploaded my picture and I did all the necessary things I'm supposed to do. Now after 24 hours, I'm going to be approved and I'm going to be rewarded with $2 on my account. So this has been confirmed that users are being rewarded. So all you just have to do is also, after the verification of your account and doing all what I just showed you, if you don't understand, you can rewatch to get more proper understanding on how it works. So right here, some of you might be asking, where can I find my wallet? So when you look up here, you can see the $ and the USDC. So once you click on that, you're going to be finding your wallet and the total earnings you've accumulated on your account. So you can see that right here. So once you are able to accumulate and keep on referring your friends, you are going to be getting your accumulated rewards right here, and you can see the withdraw button right here. So these are the process. So before you can be able to withdraw, you can see what it says. So you can see that all this has been checked right for me. You can see starting from the confirmation of my phone number, verification of my ID, upload of my profile picture, confirmation of my date of birth. So what is left for me is to earn this amount of USDC in order to withdraw. You can see that right here. So I just have only one check box right here to be ticked. So once that is ticked, I can go ahead to place withdrawal for my account. So always do your own due diligence before proceeding on platforms like this. However, this is not a promise or a guaranteed result, as results may vary according to the amount of effort you put in. Okay, so that is why I always advise you make your own research before going into platforms like this online. Now the next video I'll be making, I'll be showing you how to withdraw from this platform. Now you're going to come right here if you want to share your affiliate link with your friends, because once you share them and your friends did the same exact thing I did in this video and get approved, you are going to be rewarded $2 for that. Now when you come over to share button right here, you can go ahead to copy your link and share with your friends even without being approved yet. Okay, so what you are going to be doing after watching this video, make sure you follow this process to set your account properly and have proper leveraging on this platform, as it has been confirmed. You can also do your own due diligence before taking actions right on this platform. So that is how this platform works. You can find a link on the pinned comment section. Set up your account and make sure you follow the process I just showed you in this video. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got value from this video. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is always advisable you drop your questions if you don't understand any part in this video, and also join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I share some specific ways you can use to leverage online platforms in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.